What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you can you export private keys from Autosnipe.Ai. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So in this case, how do we exactly export private keys here from Autosnipe.Ai? Well, the thing with Autosnipe.Ai here is you don't necessarily store your private keys in Autosnipe.Ai. But the thing with your Autosnipe.Ai here is you have this connected on a very specific wallet. Now, depending on what type of wallet or what wallet you connected in here, you may need to access them. So, for example, I have my account here, so I'm already here in Autosnipe.Ai, and I actually connected my Autosnipe.Ai here, or I created my Autosnipe.Ai here using my Phantom wallet. So, in that case, in order for me to export the private keys that I'm using right now for Autosnipe.Ai, is I need to access Phantom wallet directly. So, my case at the top right here, let's go and open up our Phantom wallet. And in here, what we need to do is we want to click on the account option at the top left. So you have your profile photo here. This is account one. Let's go and click on it. And you want to go to the very bottom here, click on settings. Now in here, you want to click on your account name. And in here, you should be able to see the private key option. So if you want to see it, go ahead and click on it. And from that on, you just need to enter your password and also allow that I will not share my private key with anyone, including Phantom. But once you've entered your password and allow this process here, or allow the following options at the very bottom here and click on next, you should be able to get or copy your private keys and use it in whatever way you want. But yeah, so that's how Autosnipe.Ai here currently works. So you can only connect your wallet. So if you want to access your private keys, you need to get it from the account where you actually connected your Autosnipe.Ai. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.